Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Ram Bighorn Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number E2371C. 88,000 miles on this Ram. It's a local trade. Bright silver metallic in color. This Ram seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. More storage below with in-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Power sliding rear window for extra ventilation. Soft tonneau cover. Locking tailgate, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. This Bighorn has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity, you can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Heating and air conditioning. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect media devices. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and sliding window control. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon and the city average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Ram, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.